Ever wonder what folks ate during the Great Depression? It wasn't glamorous, but it was real. Let's dig into 12 forgotten comfort foods that kept small-town America alive. First up, poor man's meal. Picture this: hot dogs and potatoes, fried up in a skillet. Humble, right? But it gave families the strength to face another tough day. Next, burgoo. This wasn't just stew, it was community. Neighbors tossed in hunted game and garden veggies, a symbol of shared survival in a time of scarcity, don't you? How about depression cake? Milk, butter, eggs, or rare luxuries, but resourceful hands made magic with flour, sugar, and cocoa. It was a rare moment of joy. Creamed chipped beef on toast. Salty beef and creamy gravy over hand-toasted bread. The contrast of crispy toast and savory beef? Small comfort, huge impact. Cornmeal mush. This golden porridge was a foundation. Fried in bacon grease and drizzled with molasses, it fueled generations through harsh winters. Simple, but effective, right? Potato soup. Farm potatoes, a splash of milk. Minimal seasoning. A gentle embrace in a cold world. It showed that hope, like the broth, could stretch further than expected. Fried bologna sandwiches. Affordable bologna transformed in a hot skillet. A savory treasure for the hardworking soul. Can you imagine how good that tasted? Bean soup with cornbread. Beans simmered all day with a ham hock. Paired with cornbread, it filled every empty stomach and bound families together. Apple Brown Betty. A rustic celebration. Tart apples, cinnamon, buttery breadcrumbs. The sweet scent of home, wouldn't you agree? Hoover stew. The symbol of survival. Pasta, hot dogs, canned veggies. Making do at its finest. Nobody went to bed hungry. Respect. Vegetable pot pie. Garden veggies and savory sauce under a flaky crust. A simple feast fit for a king. Proof that simple can be amazing. Bread pudding. Stale bread turned into a custardy dream. Waste-free and wonderful. A sweet memory that lingered. These aren't just dishes. They're echoes of survival, community, and the warmth of the American home. Moved by these stories? Like and subscribe to keep exploring our past. What dish was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.